Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve WeChat banner. To know how to fix or how to solve WeChat banner, you should just go settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about the application of WeChat and you will enter. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your Play Store, you will search about WeChat. I don't have here updates, but when you find it in this blue sign, you can click to update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your